do you get from a research question to a pile of useful articles? Magic! Wait, no, what am I saying? It's keywords. Keywords are index terms. The word index comes from Latin, meaning pointer finger. Index terms point the way for a computer to retrieve a particular document from a database. 2 to 4 keywords are usually sufficient. This isn't a case of more is better. It's a case of the right amount is the right amount. Only use 1 keyword and you'll get way too many results. More than 4 keywords and you might not get any. 2 to 4 keywords will hopefully yield a few dozen to a few hundred results. That's the sweet spot. The quality of your keywords makes a difference too. The more unique and specific, the better. Keywords come from research questions, like this one. Are people who play video games at an increased risk of being violent? To get the answer, we need to squeeze our research question for some keywords that'll lead us to relevant empirical research. First, we take a look at the question and cross out anything that doesn't contain specific meaning. Are people who at an risk of being? Play is just the word we use to describe what someone's doing with a game, and there aren't really any other options like working a game, so that's gone. Increased here is tougher. It's getting at the relationship between video games and violence, but I'm going to cross it out too, though, because I don't want to exclude any research that suggests video games might decrease violent behavior. I'm not trying to find an excuse to demonize video games. I'm trying to answer a question. I don't want to blame something just for the sake of blaming something. Okay, that leaves us with video games and violent. These are keepers because they refer to specific concepts and won't bias my search results. 2 good keywords can be enough, but it's good to be prepared just in case they're not. We've gotten all we can from the research question, so that means we gotta get creative. We take the keywords we found and blow them up, like this. Broader concepts go on top, narrower concepts go underneath. The original 2 keywords are probably still the best ones, but these others could be helpful. Thusly armed with keywords, you can choose a database and start searching. If you don't find anything right away, don't be discouraged. Our databases contain millions of articles, and we have dozens of databases. There are more articles in a single database than you could read if you lived 5 lifetimes. Provided you've chosen a real academic topic and not something bizarre like the relationship between Beowulf and Batman, there's gonna be research out there. Oh, wait, there's even an article about that. Huh. If you aren't finding anything, it's probably because you're looking for penguins at the North Pole. You know, 'cause they don't live there. Try a few different databases before you start to worry. Also, you only really need to locate 1 good article. Articles are written by, and I say this with love, hardcore professional nerds. They're gonna be thorough. Flip to the end of that article you found and check the references. There'll be a comprehensive list of books and articles on your topic. You can then locate those articles in our databases or skim the text of the article for new keywords. Maybe you can find some terminology you haven't thought of yet. For example, a lot of research about video games seems to use the word aggression instead of violence. For more information, see our other tutorials, and for questions, ask a librarian.